So guys, today we have the list of top 5 boat fail. Number 5. A speedboat flipped and went airborne during a competition.
A dramatic crash. A speedboat flips and then goes airborne for several seconds during a competition Saturday in Lake Havasu in Arizona. The boat reportedly with 10,000 horsepower.
Number 4. Mexican Navy ship slams into Brooklyn Bridge.
There's people up there! What just happened? It's crashing!
That had to be on purpose. Yo, did you see the person just fall all the way down? There's some holy fuck.
Whoa!
Number 3. Parallel parking is hard, guys. Number 2. Passenger ferry crashed into Canary Island Pier.
Ay, Dios. Ya. Joder.
Scary moment.
Cam, just look at me, look!
Number 1. What happens when a jet boat faces a fuel line failure?
Oh, fire in the boat! Fire in the boat! The boat has exploded. They will be feeling the heat. You're feeling the heat on the back right now. You can see the rescue crew running straight to it. River Rogers Coal Keeps, that was a Pride FM commentator's curse from hell. It was saying that there's going to be a big thing that's going to stop them winning their second New Zealand Championship, and you can see what is going on there. The boys were very quick, and I'll tell you what, that is great work from River Rogers, the young man from Lewiston in the USA. Went righto, I know we're on fire, aimed straight for the safety crew, parked it right there. That takes a great presence of mind.